When you really love organizing, you just love to just organize every aspect of it. So instead of just having Christmas ornaments in random tubs, thrown in bags, we were sent this Christmas ornament storage box. And I would recommend this for everyone. I'm going to show you guys how simple and how you can customize this storage tote for your Christmas ornament, you guys. I started packing everything away. I've always used random bins, old boxes. Every year I end up with broken ornaments or missing pieces. This storage box instantly makes the whole process so much easier and way more organized. Look at this tote. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it. The first thing I noticed was how sturdy it is. The material isn't flimsy. It actually holds its shape even when it's full. The adjustable dividers are a huge plus because I was able to customize each section depending on the size of the ornament. Whether it's small glass pieces or large shatterproof ones, everything fits without being squeezed. And we all know, especially those handmade kid ornaments, the older ones, those are the most odd shaped variety that you can possibly find in an ornament. And they don't usually fit in the standard ornament boxes. When it's customizable like this, it's so much easier. The 8 individual trays are probably my favorite part. Instead of digging through bin after bin, you can just slide out each tray and see everything at once. It keeps the ornaments neatly separated and makes unpacking next year so much easier. And with room for up to 128 decorations, it honestly fits a lot more than I expected. The handles make carrying it around super convenient. Even when it's full, it doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart. Plus, the green color keeps it looking festive and easy to spot in storage. I love being able to color code all of my bins in storage, so I know my green and red, they're all Christmas. If you're tired of broken ornaments or messy holiday boxes, this is definitely worth it. It keeps everything organized, protected, and in one spot. I love knowing that when I pull it out next season, everything will be exactly where I left it and not shattered at the bottom of a bin. Plus, when I'm taking everything off the tree and putting them in, I'm not having to find some kind of bubble wrap or newspaper or something to carefully wrap and roll it back in, because that just gets old after a while. These have those super cool dividers that you just literally put your ornament inside of it and you're good to go. I'm going to show you all the different custom ways that you can do this because this is the most you can get out of the tray, okay? That's all the little ones that are going to fit. This even fits a standard size bulb. Now let me show you if you got some mini ones, some medium sized ones, and then some long ones. You can customize this any way you want. These are super simple. They have the slots and you just fit them in just like I'm doing here. See? You can literally make it how you want it. Once you get all those figured out, you can go ahead and start setting your trays inside the bin. They all fit neatly, right next to each other. You don't have to worry about anything. This was super simple and easy to do. I really love the storage bag. Look at this. And then of course the cover, the zipper's easy, glides smoothly, don't have to worry about it. Look at that. Perfect. And it's going to store excellent in my attic. Great handles. It's going to hold and support the weight that I put inside of it, which ornaments aren't that big. Now here I'm just going to show you real quick as a demo. These are standard size bulbs and then I've got my long decorative ones. Look at this. Gorgeous.